Hey everyone, this is Harsh Prashar. So today we are studying about the biofuels. So let's start about it. So these are our contents. First one is the introduction, making of biofuels, categories of biofuels, biodiesel and its benefits, and last one is the sources of biofuels. So the first part is the introduction. What is biofuels? Biofuels are liquids or gaseous fuels primarily produced from biomass. It can be used to replace or can be used in addition to diesel, petrol, or other fossil fuels for transport, stationary, portable, and other applications. Crops used to make biofuels are generally either high in sugar, such as sugarcane, starch, such as maize, or oil, such as soybean and sunflower. So let's take a quick review. What are biofuels? Biofuels are fuels derived from biomass. So what's biomass actually and how it is used to create energy? Let's study about it. Biomass is defined as organic matter, especially plant matter, that can be converted to fuel and is regarded as a potential energy source. The sources of biomass are grouped into classes including trees, energy crops, agricultural residues, food and waste residues. When collected, the source material goes through a process of storage, heating to liquefy, fermentation and distillation. Let's study about it. Making of biofuels, how biofuels are made. So firstly, here you can see biomass is broken down firstly in simpler form and then it is cooked in boiler to be liquefied. Then some enzymes and yeast is added for the fermentation and distillation process. After that, some small conversions are made and ethanol is stored. And then biofuel is provided to the nearby gas stations. So the third part is the categories of biofuels. First category is the first generation biofuels. First generation biofuels are made from sugar, starch, vegetable oil, animal fats and using conventional technology. Common first generation biofuels include bioalcohols, biodiesel, vegetable oil, bioethers and biogas. Some examples are wheat, sugarcane, corn, etc. Second category is the second generation biofuels. These are produced from non-food crops such as cellulose biofuels and waste biomass. Example includes advanced biofuels like biohydrogen, biomethanol, and some examples are wood, straw, grass, etc. Now third generation biofuels. These are produced from microorganisms like algae. It includes protein, fatty acid, lipids, triglycerides, and some of the examples are microalgae, macroalgae, and biodiesel, etc. So this is a picture showing categories of biofuels and what are biofuels made of. So you can see first generation is made from food related sources, second generation non-food sources, third generation algae, fourth generation other sources. So let's move on. Fourth part is the biodiesel and its benefits. Let's study about it. What is biodiesel? Biodiesel is an eco-friendly alternative fuel prepared from domestic renewable resources, that is vegetable oil and animal fats. These natural oils and fats are primarily made up of triglycerides. These acids, when reacted chemically with lower alcohols in presence of catalysts, result in fatty acid esters. Then these esters show striking similarity to petroleum derived diesel and are called biodiesel. As India is deficient in edible oils, non-edible oil may be material of choice for producing biodiesel. Some of the examples are Ponjamia, Karenja, etc. Now let's study about the benefits of using biodiesel. It is made from renewable sources and can be prepared locally. It reduces vehicle emission which makes it eco-friendly. Increases engine performance because it has higher cetane numbers as compared to petrol diesel. It has excellent lubricity, increased safety in storage and transport because the fuel is non-toxic and biodegradable. Production of biodiesel in India will reduce dependence on foreign suppliers, thus helpful in price stability. Reduction of greenhouse gases at least 3.3 kg of CO2 equivalent per kg of biodiesel. So our last part is the sources of biofuels. So let's study about it. First part is the Jatropha curcus. It is multiple purpose non-edible oil yielding permeable shrub. This is a hardy and drought tolerant crop can be raised in marginal lands with lesser input. The crop can be maintained for 30 years economically. Second one is the Pongamia. There is several non-edible oil yielding trees that can be grown to produce biofuel. Karenja is one of the most suitable trees. It is widely grown in various parts of the countries. Now third part is the sugar beet. It is perennial sugar producing tuber crop grown in temperature countries. Tropical sugar beet varieties are gaining momentum in tropical and subtropical countries as a promising alternative energy crop for the production of ethanol. Last one is the sorghum. Sorghum is the most important millet crop occupying largest area among the cereals next to rice. It is mainly grown for its grain and fodder. Alternative uses of sorghum include commercial utilization of grain in food industry and utilization of stock for the production of value added products like jaggery. So these are all sources and references I have given below. Thank you.